This is the best text-to-speech generative AI ever. And no, I am not talking about 11 Labs or Clipchamp or any of the popular ones you may know. Though 11 Labs have proven to be the most efficient and popular amongst generative AI users, there is a free software that beats all that a million times. Yes, I said it. HT. This software beats every other text-to-speech AI. How, you may ask? Stick around to find out. For shortcuts, go to my description below. Click on the link. It will take you to the website. This website gives you access to what you have to pay for in other websites for free, especially voice cloning. But let's use the usual pre-made voices for now. It is very easy to use, especially for creators with long scripts. Editing line by line is made easy with this software. You can also regenerate a line in your script without regenerating the whole script. What a relief! Before I continue, make sure to click on the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on any juicy update. Let me give you 3 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's move on. This software also offers free voice cloning. You can tap on the plus button and follow the steps to clone your voice. But I have already done mine. So let's see how it sounds. Hello, my name is Ebony. It sounds great. I hope this video was helpful. Comment yes or no, and then your reason. See you in the next video. Thank you.